Every printer looks great on paper, but does it really print that well in real life? Today, we're putting the xTool's DTF Apparel Printer to the test. Let's run one of our cleanest, most detailed prints and compare it to its source file, looking for accuracy, sharpness, and those fine details that separate a good DTF printer from a great one. Here's the file we're working with today. High resolution, vibrant colors, sharp line work, and fine details. Heck, there's even a fully functional QR code. And we're not adding this as a gimmick, as it can reveal if the printer can handle fine details without bleeding. It's the sort of design that will expose a printer's strengths and weaknesses. The areas to focus on will be the color transitions and larger coverage areas, as well as the micro details in the text. Now for this criteria, we'll be reviewing under studio lights, so no imperfections can be hidden away. We want a clear visual of the micro details in the design. Punctuation, line strokes, texture. These are the benchmarks we'll use to judge the final print. It's time to fire up the apparel printer. Today, we're not playing any games. Standard rip settings, no tweaks. We want to see how well it'll perform right out of the box for a first-time user. Now this 14-inch direct-to-film printer is pretty unique. Underneath the hood of the sleek design, we have dual Epson i1600 print heads that boast a listed print speed of up to 50 square feet an hour. For this print, we're running 720 by 1800 DPI for print quality and leaving all settings as is. The entire operation is controlled by the same user-friendly RIP software that powers their host of laser equipment. So if you ever used these before, there's essentially no learning curve. And when it comes to maintenance, once plugged in, the Smart Cycle system auto cleans around the clock to maintain printhead health for you. For our actual printing production, this is where precision matters. Smooth ink laydown, consistent white underbase, and no banding across those large areas. We've got our print cured up with color prime DTF powder. Now it's time to compare. First up, color accuracy. The printed image is rich and saturated with no muddy tones. There are no unnatural shifts, and solid areas of ink are balanced and clear. No sign of grain. Another quality check would be sharpness. Take a look at the larger text down here. No visible sign of choppiness, just clean line lettering. Now if we get a little nitpicky, on the smaller font face, we do see slightly detectable amounts of fuzz. Still usable, but if we continue on to the QR code, take a look at this line work. Crisp, clean, straight edges, fully functional scanning. So what should an experienced printer be looking for in a quality machine? Color consistency across the whole design with no banding or unexpected color shifts. White underbase quality should be strong enough to give the colors vibrancy and accuracy while creating an opaque barrier between the fabric itself and the face of the print. Edge clarity, crisp lines with no halo effect. Gradient smoothness, true transitions without fuzzy grain. If your machine can handle these criteria points, you've got yourself a reliable printer. Let's review our final product, pressed and ready to wear. Colors on the actual garment look great and really pop. This speaks highly of the ink, film, and powder used for this project. And we've seen transfers that may dull or not be as vibrant once applied, but even on this black shirt, we have a vivid image that is retail ready. No fuzziness or dull white. The xTool apparel printers really looking to compete in this direct-to-film market, and you clearly see the quality of this machine here once pressed. So as the xTool's DTF Apparel Printer passed the test, based on what we saw, color accuracy was right where what you'd expect as industry standard. Thumbs up so far. The sharpness held up and the details matched impressively close to our source file. When it comes to direct-to-film, this means confidence when taking on clients' work that demands precision. At the end of the day, the results speak for themselves. This printer isn't just hype, it delivers. If you're ready to see it in action for your shop, you know where to find us. Hit the link in the description below to learn more or schedule a live demonstration. And if you're interested in a custom sample with your artwork, just let me know. Made it this far in the video? Thank you. Tap that red subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. Drop a thumbs up for this standout desktop DTF printer and let us hear your thoughts in the comments. We'll see you in the next one.